Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out the new clone tool in Spline. I'm going to remove the square. I'm going to change the background color to something light. And I'm going to select the cylinder. Press and hold Shift, create a cylinder. And I'm going to select this little cube up here. And I'm going to drag it upwards. It's going to make it longer. Let's go to the corners, increase the corners to maximum. Now go to the materials, click on the plus, click on the little arrow and change it to depth. Click on the depth. Now I'm going to drag the green arrow down. So as you can see, the upper part is dark. It's getting darker. You also can change here the gradient. And I'm going to click here on the black and change it to a color. Now we're going to go down here to the cloner, activate. Let's change the linear to grid. We're going to decrease the Y. So as you can see, if I increase it, it's going to copy paste it vertically. So I'm going to decrease it to 1. And I'm going to increase the X with 40 and the Z by 40. I'm going to also change it to perspective. And we're going to go to the base here and click on hide. So it's going to basically hide this shape, that cylinder that we created previously. So it's going to only show the clones. From here, we're going to activate the randomness. We're going to change the position. Let's go up to 46, 47. The rotation is going to be 1000 and the scale 0.50. We're also going to decrease the movement to 0 and that should be it. We're going to scroll up, click on the states. Scroll down and we're going to increase the movement to 20. Let's scroll up. We're going to click on the events, click on the transition. Let's go to transition to linear duration. I'm going to go with I think 80. Click on play and there you go. I also going to need to add some Fresnel maybe. So I'm going to go back here to the base state and click on the plus. Let's change it to Fresnel. I'm going to change the color of the Fresnel, some blue. Oh wow, look at that. This actually looks really dope. Can't believe it. Look at that. Look at that. So mainly this was it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.